Are you looking for the perfect robot vacuum and can't decide between the Xiaomi x10 and the Xiaomi s10? Today we will compare both the models to help you find the best one for your home. So let's get started. First, let's talk the suction power. So the Xiaomi x10 offers the 4000 PA of suction, making it ideal for the most cleaning tasks like dust, pet hairs, debris on hard floors and carpets. The S10, on the other hand, also packs a solid punch with 4000 PA of suction. So in terms of cleaning power, both models are on par. Now on to navigation. So the X10 features the LDS laser navigation, allowing it to create a highly accurate map of your home and clean it in a structured, efficient manner. The S10 also has the LDS laser navigation, ensuring that both the vacuums navigate with precision, avoid obstacles, and clean without missing the spots. Now, when it comes to the mopping, both the X10 and the S10 come with a mopping function. The X10 features the intelligent water control, allowing for more precise wet cleaning. The S10 offers mopping as well, but with slightly less advanced water control settings compared to the X10. Both the models can be controlled through the Xiaomi Home application, where you can schedule the cleanings, you can set the no-go zones, and monitor the cleaning process. In terms of the battery, the X10 Plus offers the 150 minutes of runtime, while the S10 gives you a bit more with 130 minutes. So the difference here is minor. When it comes to the pricing, the Xiaomi S10 tends to be a more budget-friendly option, while the X10 is priced slightly higher due to its enhanced mopping system and the precision controls. So which one should you actually go for? So if you want extra mopping control and slightly more refined navigation system, the Xiaomi X10 is way to go. But if you are looking for a more affordable option with strong cleaning power, the S10 is a great deal. You can also check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Thank you so much for watching.